If you have an acne-prone skin, you already know the challenges you face daily, like shiny face, difficulty to apply makeup, and sometimes you don't even feel like going out, you don't even feel like using any skincare. But mind you, these are the challenges that most people face, especially women. But the truth is, you only need to find the best skincare routine for it. So in today's video, we'll be discussing the best skincare routine for oily acne-prone skin. Let me tell you something. Your skin is naturally programmed to produce some level of oil in which is supposed to hydrate your skin and also protect your skin as well. So have it at the back of your mind that having a oil on your face is not all the time negative. It's not even negative at all. It's normal. So when you should start getting worried is when there is excess of this oil. And when there is excess of this oil, that is when you start having blackheads, acne, clogged pores, and other blemishes. And of course, nobody wants blemishes on their skin. So like I said in today's video, we'll be discussing the best skincare routine that you are going to incorporate in your daily life. You are going to incorporate in your daily routine. Something you are going to be doing daily. And trust me, it's not something that is that stressful. Just, one or two things and you are there. You have nothing to worry about. And before we start, I would like you to know that, when we're talking about oily face is usually on your T-zone, okay? So you have oil on your nose, your chin area, and your forehead as well. These are routine you will follow every day. And also, I'm going to be introducing and also, let me say, recommend some products that is best for oily and acne prone skin. So once you get these products, they are the right products for your type of skin, and you incorporate it into your daily routine, into your skincare routine, forget it, don't worry girl, you are going to be fine. So step one is you need to cleanse your face morning and night. Not just that you just do it in the morning and you leave it at night. Of course, I know that sometimes, especially you that, okay, maybe you are doing a 9 to 5 job and you're already tired, you just try, because it's not something that is going to take your time anyway. So just try. The step one is to cleanse your face. So you are going to get a cleanser. I'm recommending any of this cleanser. This is a foaming cleanser. If you have an oily skin, you need a foaming cleanser. You might have been using a cleanser before that is creamy based. That is totally wrong. For your type of skin, it's totally wrong. So the best cleanser for an oily and acne prone skin is a foaming cleanser. You need something that is going to absorb the excess oil on your face and also clog your pores. You need something that is very light, in which the creamy based cleanser is not the one. I know you might be asking, why do I need to wash my face in the morning? I just woke up. Yes, when you wake up in the morning, your skin must have produced more oil, either from your hair, from your pillowcase, everything. You need to cleanse it away. The step two we are going to be talking about is to exfoliate your skin. You need to get a toner. You can get any of this toner. So you are going to get two types of toner. One for exfoliation and the other one is for the one you are going to be using in your normal day, that you use in the morning, you go out and just go about your day. So you need to exfoliate your skin to reduce the production of oil on your face. In case you don't know, the excess large pores can be the cause of buildup and dead skin that will clog your pores. The exfoliating toner, you need to exfoliate so that it can prepare your skin to allow other products to work. So the exfoliation is not every day. This second toner is going to help you to reduce the dimension of oil on your face and also control oil. Please, you can't skip this toner. If you have an oily acne prone skin, you cannot skip a toner, please. So step 4, I would say this is step 4 because for the toner is 2 different steps you are going to use, the exfoliation and the normal toner, okay? So I'll say this is a step 4. So for the step 4, you need to get a serum. I usually recommend niacinamide or salicylic acid type of serum for someone that have an oily and acne prone skin. Please, this type of serum, they are the one that helps to control the excess of oil on the skin. You can go with any of this serum. Then after this, you use a moisturizer. You can have an oily skin. Why do I need to moisturize again? Of course, you still need a moisturizer, but you need a lightweight moisturizer. Step 4, you need a sunscreen. Please, you cannot skip a sunscreen. If you skip a sunscreen, that means you have already messed up with all your efforts, from the cleanser to toner, from exfoliation and all that. Please, you cannot skip a sunscreen. Sunscreen is what is going to keep your face moisturized during the day and also control the oil. It's going to protect your skin from sun or from any harsh weather that is going to affect your skin. So this sunscreen is something that is going to protect everything you've been using so far. I mean, from the step 1 up to this step. Please don't forget all these steps. You can use any of the products that have been displayed on the screen and thank me later. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video already and share with someone who might need it. If you have an acne prone skin, it's not the end of the world. If you have an oily skin, it's not the end of the world. All you need to do is to find ways to control the sebum production, the clogged pores, and the blackheads. I will meet you at the comment section and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.